Hey guys, this is Viktor. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how can you create Facebook ads in 2023 as a beginner. And of course, I will mention some AI tools that can speed up and automate the process. And since we have already managed Facebook ads for over 100 clients with my agency, I will also share some pro tips with you. In the 1970s, we only saw 1,000 ads per day. Today, we could see more than 10,000 ads every day. And in this noise, many entrepreneurs still believe that by launching a simple Facebook ad, they will instantly generate 7-figure revenue. Before we dive in, do Facebook ads still working this year? It depends on what kind of ad you are running. Okay, let's do a test, guys. I show you two creatives and figure out which one generated more sales for our clients. Make a comment below with A or B, and I will choose one of you for a free ad account audit session with me. I hope you commented. I will choose the winner soon. Currently, Facebook has almost 3 billion active monthly users in the world. And take a look at some important statistics from Social Pilot. I strongly agree with point 7, as we have also tested short video ads and they generally perform the best. Here is an example from one of our clients' Facebook results. So Facebook is not dead, it is working and still could generate you millions if you set up the right selling system. I'm gonna show you how can you create Facebook ads soon, but we have to see how our Facebook ads structured. First, you need to create a business manager where you can check your ad accounts, pixels, catalogs, and other things. So how does the ads manager look like? The first level is campaign level. Here you can choose your goal like lead generation for your service-based business or sales campaign for your e-com business. The next level is ad set. At this level, you can set the target audience, interest, budget, schedule, and placement options for ads. And the third level is ad level, where you can add your images, videos, ad copy, call to action buttons, and destination URLs. Okay, it's time to dive into your Facebook Ads Manager account. Okay, so first of all, you should save this link for the future because it will save you a lot of time. If you don't have a business manager, you can create one here. If you have one, just choose your business manager. Go to ad accounts, add, create a new ad account. You should add an ad account name, like your business name. And then next, and the ad account has been created. I have already created one. So let's check how can we create a new campaign. Okay guys, let's start by clicking on the create button to start a new campaign. And let's say you have an air conditioning company, so you need more leads. So you should choose leads campaign objective. If you have an e-com brand, you should choose sales campaign objective. But now we will check the leads campaign objective. So you should add the name, like AC company. For that set, you should add like a city or something like this. And for ad name, you should add like ad 1. Okay, here is the campaign level. The campaign objective is great. Everything is great. So we can move to the ad set level. Okay, here you should accept the terms and conditions, like here, accepted. You should start using instant forms where people can fill out a Facebook form and add their details like name, email address, phone number, and one question, for example. And you should move to the budget slide where you can set your daily or lifetime budget. I suggest you to use daily budget and turn this off. Here you can set up your target audience, choose a city here if you're a local business. But you can choose countries as well. The age is good. You should add the language as well. After, you should choose a beneficiary for the account. And in placements, I recommend to use feeds. No marketplace. Maybe if you use videos, you should choose video feeds as well. But now we will use photos. No explore. Stories is good. Reels for videos again. No search results. And that's all. Click on the next button. This is the ad level where you can add photos, videos, headlines, description as well. For ad creatives, you can use Canva. We generated millions with the Canva photos, so you don't need professional Photoshop skills for that. Also, you can add some animations if you want. It can boost your sales as well. But for now, we will use this picture for the ad. And if you don't have any idea for ad creative, you can use Midjourney to generate AI photos. Also, you can use ChatGPT for Midjourney prompts. We can use this prompt in Midjourney. Okay, and here is the ad creative. Upload. And the photo has been added. We should use a headline like limited offer. And also we should add a primary text. And we can use ChatGPT again. Write me a Facebook ad description about my air conditioning company in Denver. Of course, you can customize these. Maybe you can use Denver here. And the last step is to create a form where people can add their details. Like you can add the headline. Offer, you can add the text here. Then questions. Email, full name. You can add phone number. Also, I suggest you to ask people about a question because it will make better leads for you. Also, you can add your privacy policy link and the thank you page for your leads. You can publish it. Okay. After you are ready with this ad, you can duplicate it and use another creative that maybe you created with Midjourney. And on the last step, you should click on publish. And also you can set up an automation with Zapier. You should choose Facebook lead ads. Also you need premium subscription for this. And new lead. Continue, you will choose your account. And next step, you can add Slack or Gmail notification. And it will forward you the lead details so you can call them. Next, you should check your results in Facebook Ads Manager and Google Analytics. If you are seeing a decrease in results, I would recommend trying out new creatives first and then test new audiences. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe.